Meet Kevin. Kevin is a masterpiece of productivity. Look at him go. Scrolling through Instagram for the 47th time today. Wow, Kevin, you're really crushing it. Oh, what's that? You've been working for 3 hours, but all you've done is reorganize your Spotify playlist? Impressive! But hey, don't feel bad, Kevin, because you are Kevin, and Kevin is an idiot. Let's be real. Motivation? You don't have it. 1 second you're pumped to change your life, and the next, you're in bed watching YouTube shorts about a cat playing piano. But here's the thing, you don't need motivation, you need a system. So today I'm going to hack your pigeon brain into something resembling a functional human being. No fluffy nonsense. No believe in yourself crap. Real strategies that'll slap the laziness out of you. Tip number 1, the 5-minute rule. Trick your brain. Your brain gets distracted faster than a toddler in a toy store. You sit down to work, and bam. Suddenly you're deep diving into Wikipedia articles about the history of ketchup. What happened? Your brain got distracted.
Wow!
Here's the fix. The 5-minute rule. Tell yourself you'll work for just 5 minutes. That's it. 5. Your brain can't argue with that. Oh, just 5 minutes? Sure, I can do that, it says, like the gullible idiot it is. And guess what? Once you start, you'll probably keep going. Why? Because starting is the hardest part. Once you're in motion, you'll stay in motion. Just like Newton's first law, except instead of an apple, it's your lazy butt finally getting off the couch. Tip number 2, stop thinking, start doing. Your brain is a liar. Your brain is a lying, manipulative little troll. It tells you things like, I'll start after one more episode, or I'll do it tomorrow. And you believe it. Why? Because you're a pigeon. Your brain doesn't want to do hard things. It wants to sit in its little pigeon nest, eating crumbs and watching TikTok. Here's the rule. The moment you think about doing something productive, do it. Don't think. Don't debate. Don't negotiate with your inner procrastinator. Just move. Successful people don't wait for motivation. They take action first, and motivation follows. You're waiting for motivation to show up like it's an Amazon delivery. Spoiler, it's not coming. Get up and start. Tip number 3, dopamine detox. Stop feeding your brain junk food. Your brain is a dopamine junkie. You're out here scrolling Instagram, eating chips, and binge watching Netflix like it's your job. And then you wonder why you have no motivation to do hard things. Duh. Your brain is drowning in cheap dopamine. Here's the fix. Dopamine detox. For 24 hours, cut out all the junk. No social media, no junk food, no mindless entertainment. Let your brain reset. You'll be bored out of your mind. But guess what? Your focus will come back. Boredom is your brain's way of saying, hey, maybe we should do something productive now. Suddenly working won't feel so hard because your brain isn't hooked on garbage anymore. Feed it garbage, and you get a pigeon brain. Simple. And while we're fixing your brain, let's fix your YouTube habits too. Hit that subscribe button. Why? Because you need this content more than you need another dopamine hit from cat videos. Be smart for once. Click it now. Tip number 4, make it too easy to fail. Remove the friction. You're setting yourself up for failure before you even start. I'll wake up early to work out, you say, but your phone is right next to your bed. I'll study after dinner, you promise. But your PlayStation is staring at you like, hey, Kevin, want to lose another 4 hours? Here's the solution. Make good habits effortless and bad habits impossible. Sleep in your workout clothes, put your phone in another room, leave a book on your pillow. If you have to fight your environment just to be productive, you've already lost. Stop making life harder for yourself. Tip number 5, reward yourself like a dog because you're basically one. Let's be real. You're not a logical, rational human being. You're a dog, a very lazy dog. Dogs don't do things because they're motivated. They do things because they get treats. And your brain? It's the same. If you want to stay motivated, start rewarding yourself for good habits. Finish a hard task, treat yourself to a snack, study for 30 minutes, watch one episode of your favorite show, go to the gym, buy yourself a stupid, overpriced smoothie. Train your brain to associate productivity with rewards. Motivation isn't magic. It's just cause and effect. And you are the effect of your own laziness. Bonus tip: surround yourself with winners, or stop hanging out with losers. If you hang around lazy, unmotivated people, you'll become one too. It's science. Studies show that you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So if your squad is a bunch of Netflix binging, excuse-making losers, guess what you'll be? One of them. Find people who push you, who make you uncomfortable, who make you feel like a lazy piece of garbage because they're out there grinding while you're slacking. If you don't have winners around you, go find them. Join communities, watch high achievers online, do whatever it takes. But stop surrounding yourself with people who make failure feel normal. All right, Kevin. No more whining. No more waiting. No more, I'll do it later, nonsense. Unless, of course, you prefer wandering aimlessly, getting distracted by everything, and never achieving anything. Use the 5-minute rule to start. Stop thinking, just do. Detox your dopamine-addicted brain. Make failure impossible. Reward yourself like a good little dog. Surround yourself with winners, not losers. It's not rocket science. It's discipline. So get off your lazy butt and go do something. Because, guess what? If you don't, you'll stay Kevin forever. And nobody wants that. Not even your future self. If you've made it this far, prove you're not a lost pigeon. Comment, "No more Kevin" below, so I know you actually have a brain left.